Is the HappyTab app really an easy way to earn $100 instantly as it looks like when you first join the app, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I love testing different ways to make some extra money online, and many viewers have asked me about this particular app, so I decided to test it myself. And in this HappyTab app review, I will give you an inside look, and let me just reveal right away that there are some very important details you need to consider before downloading this app. So let's start by going over who can join HappyTab. And HappyTab is, as far as I'm aware, available in more or less all countries. You can, however, only download it through the Google Play Store, so it's only for Android devices. You just need to be aware of that. But let me now log in, and then you can see if it's even worth considering downloading it. So I have now logged into the HappyTab app, and at first it looks very promising, and it looks like most other apps where you can earn by playing. There's different games here that you can download and you can play them, and then you potentially will earn also. So there's nothing there that looks too weird. But what did look very weird was that the moment I logged in, I got $100, and you could even see they were added up here, and then I've earned more by playing after also. And that in itself kind of actually worried me. Of course, you should be happy if you get $100 just for joining, but I have also tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. And if you get $100 into your account right away on an app like this that offers you to earn by playing, something weird is going on. But I continued testing it a little bit, and then it said to me when I tried to redeem, well, to actually withdraw your money, you need to first do a task. You need to download an app. And that's very normal. You can't usually just withdraw a joining bonus without doing some task inside an app. That's very normal. The size of the joining bonus was not normal. So what it then said was that then I needed to download one game, and I did. I downloaded a game, one here that's not even available here. Oh, here it is, this one here. I downloaded this one and started playing a little bit. Then I came back here. Then the next requirement for me to withdraw was then you need to play it for 20 minutes. And it's like, okay, that's fair enough. But if you have some requirements, tell me right away, download the app, play for this long, do this and this. But they don't. And that's a clear red flag for earning apps. If they don't tell you right away all the requirements to get paid, but keep adding more requirements, it's just a huge red flag. But anyways, I decided for the sake of showing my audience here to play it for 20 minutes. And it actually took way more than 20 minutes because this particular game was full of ads that kept popping up again and again, and it didn't count my playtime whenever the ads were playing. So I think it took like 45-50 minutes of playing before I finally reached this so-called 20 minutes of playing. But you could say, of course, if I could then withdraw the $100, it would still be, very good money for my time. And I even got some extra money. You can see earnings by playing. So, it would still have been worth it. But what then happened after that? Let's talk about that so we can talk about whether you should expect to get paid or not. So after that, then what now happened, then suddenly it says like there's a countdown timer. Your rewards will be credited within 2 days. It said 3 days when I started. So, and this is just another, huge red flag, these countdown timers. If you reward me, just reward me. If you say I need to do this, then reward me when I've done that. And I have tested, as mentioned, hundreds of different ways. And what I can guarantee you will happen when this timer runs out, then I will likely be placed in a queue that has thousands of people in front of me, or I will have to watch 50 ads or something like that to withdraw, or I will have to pay a small administration fee to move up the line and get paid. But whatever they will require you or ask you to do not do it. If you have actually tried, please let me know what they ask you to do. But what I can tell you is that they will keep coming up with the requirements, and really make sure not to pay them anything, because apps sometimes ask like that. Don't waste time watching the 50 ads or however much they will ask you, or invite the people they will ask you, because apps that are not transparent about things like this just apps to stay away from, because it's unrealistic earnings. And when they keep adding extra requirements, it's just an app that will never pay you. They will just keep making up excuses not to pay you. And this is not the only red flags. There's one more huge red flag that I'll just want to show you on the app page. So I'll just close down the app itself and then we'll talk about that. So I'm now back on the app page here in Google Play, and you can't see it now on the computer, but if you look on your phone, you will see it says early access behind here. And this is a trick that many apps that are not intending to PayU are actually using, because for some reason Google Play has this they call early access, and during that period people cannot leave reviews of the apps, and some earning apps that are not intended to pay you use this and keep it in early access for months or for years, because then people cannot come here, there are no reviews, they cannot come and share their negative experiences and tell others that they have not been paid. And you can see it has more than 1 million downloads at the time of recording this video, and no one are able to actually tell each other about it. So it's a huge red flag when an earning app is in early access, because it is usually just a trick. So to sum it all up, HappyTap app, a complete waste of time. It looks like huge rewards at first, but it's unrealistic. You will not get $100 just for joining, and they will keep making excuses not to pay you. You should not expect to get paid. If you want to earn by playing games, there are apps and websites that offer that. Not $100 joining bonus, of course, that's just not realistic, but there are options that I know do pay, that I have been paid by myself. I'll leave a link below to a list I have on my website of the best apps and websites to earn by playing, so you can check that out. And I also do have a list on my website of the best get paid to site that offer all kind of small tasks where you can realistically earn a bit of extra money completely for free, and where I know they actually do pay, so you can also check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.